Hello students, today's we are here to discuss your worksheet number 53 of class 10 science and today's date is 9th November 2020. Your chapter is heredity and evolution, that is chapter number 9 of your NCERT. As we discussed earlier about the heredity, about the variations caused during the process, during the periods of heredity, today's we are going to discuss the another important role of heredity. As we know that the heredity plays an important role in determining the various characteristics in human being, one of the such characteristics is a sex determination. That means heredity also play an important role in determining the sex of the offspring. That is, a woman give birth to a male or a female child is also depend on the heredity. That means कि जो woman है is either giving the birth to the male child or the female child is also depend upon the heredity. As we know that the humans have 23 pair of chromosomes, 23 pairs. To focus on this term, there is 23 pairs. That means the total number of chromosome is 46. That means 23 multiplied by 2. That is 46 number of chromosome. We get one chromosome in each pair from the mother and another from father. All pairs of human chromosomes are perfect pair except the pair of the sex chromosome in the human male. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये क्या कहना चाह रहा है that the human chromosome are the perfect pair. That means all chromosomes are homologous and the similar type. That means one chromosome is like this, so another one is also like this. ठीक है. If we come to the sex chromosome, ठीक है, that means except a pair of sex chromosome in human male के अंदर क्या होता है, one chromosome is like this, the another one is like this. That means slightly different from the another sex chromosome. ठीक है. The other in female all the chromosomes are perfectly paired, but in the male the last 6 chromosomes is not perfectly paired. Women have a perfect pair of sex chromosome. That means X, this is X and both the X, but men have a mismatched pair. In one is a normal size X, this is a X, and another is short one called the Y, and this chromosome is called Y. So women are XX while the men's are XY. So sex chromosomes of females are XX and the male are XY. Okay, I think यहाँ तक आपको चीज़ clear है. Let's move forward. After that, during zygote formation, zygote is formed when the two gametes are fused or fertilized. Okay? When the ova is fertilized by the sperm, then the zygote formation is take place. In this, during the zygote formation, a child always get X chromosome from the mother, but the sex of the child is determined by the chromosome inherited by the father. How is this happen? Because we know that the sex chromosome of the female is XX and of male is XY. So in both the cases, female only can give X and X chromosome. कोई दूसरा चांस ही नहीं है. वो जब भी गैमीट बनाएगी वो X क्रोमोसोम की ही बनाएगी. But in male, the gametes are formed consist of two different sex chromosomes. One is X, another one is Y. If female gives X and the father also give its X, then the XX, that means girls, is produced. ठीक है. The female give birth to the girl child. If the female's X and the male Y chromosome is there, then the boy is produced, or the male or the female give birth to the boy child. If another X, this X1 come from the mother and this X come from the father, then also a baby girl, and this X and this Y come from the father, another a baby boy. That means the sex of the child is depend upon the or decided by the chromosome or the sex chromosome of the father, not the mother. Let's try to complete the following diagram. ये आपका complete हो चुका है diagram जो मैंने भी आपको समझाया. आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हैं ये दोनों क्रोमोसोम जो है ये फादर के हैं, ये मदर के क्रोमोसोम है। जब इसके बीच में क्रॉस हुआ तो आपका एक्सएस आया। जब इस एक्स और वाई के बीच में क्रॉस होगा तो एक्स वाई आएगा। जब इस एक्स और एक्स के बीच में क्रॉस होगा तो एक्स एक्स, और इस एक्स और वाई के बीच में क्रॉस होगा तो एक्स वाई। डेट मीन्स दे आर 50% चांसेस ऑफ गर्ल चाइल्ड एंड 50% चांसेस ऑफ बॉय चाइल्ड. Thus, there are equal chances of the child to be the girl or the boy. That means 50-50%. And the sex of the child depends only on the chromosome passed to the parent by father. That means जो child का sex है वो किस पे depend करता है? It's only depend upon the chromosome जो किसने pass किया है? By the father, not by the mother. ठीक है? Let's discuss some other interesting fact in this. In reptiles, the temperature at which the fertilized egg are kept determine whether the animal developing in the egg will be the male or the female. That means in some reptiles the sex of the baby or the sex of the embryo is depend upon the temperature कि fertilized egg किस temperature पे रखा गया है, उससे ही जो है डिसाइड होगा कि whether the fertilized egg is going to develop into the male or the female. In some animals, there are some animals also जैसे snail है, individual can change sex, indicating that sex is not always genetically determined. कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जैसे स्नेल, वो अपने सेक्सेस चेंज कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स इंडिकेटेड एज सेक्स इज नॉट ऑलवेज जेनेटिकली डिटरमाइंड. उनके अंदर सेक्स जो है वो जेनेटिकली डिटरमाइंड नहीं है. ये कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स हैं आपके. Here are some questions. Question number 1 is in human female sex chromosome are represented by dash and XY represent the sex chromosome of dash. तो हमें पता है कि फीमेल सेक्स क्रोमोसोम आपके क्या होते हैं, XX होता है. और XY रिप्रेजेंट क्या करता है आपका, XY रिप्रेजेंट द सेक्स क्रोमोसोम ऑफ मेल. ठीक है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है आपका, हाउ डज सेक्स डिटरमाइंस अकर इन ह्यूमंस. सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन ह्यूमंस में कैसे अकर होता है. आप इसके लिए ऊपर वाला डायग्राम बना सकते हैं जो आपका यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस करा था. इस तरीके से आपका सेक्स डिटरमाइन होता है. दिस इज आंसर नंबर 2. नाउ थिंक आई नो एंड अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. आपको इसको पढ़कर समझकर क्या समझ में आया ये आप यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे. ठीक है. सेकंड है थिंग्स आई फर्दर वांट टू नो अबाउट द सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. आप सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन के बारे में और क्या जानना चाहते हो, आपकी और क्या क्यूरियोसिटी है कि आप ये भी जानो. आपकी कुछ क्वेरीज होंगी, आपको कुछ डाउट्स होंगे अबाउट द सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. यू मे राइट हियर एंड आस्क विद अस. ओके बच्चों, तो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर वर्कशीट नंबर 53. आई होप आपको समझ में आया हो.